all with D. We are here in Fishhill to watch a game between Plk City and Stellenbosch FC. So I've got my brother here, brother Kawisha. My brother, just give me your score prediction for the game tonight.
3-0 this D. 3-0.
3-0.
Yeah, 3-0 this because of according to me the way I'm seeing lineup. Hey, Plk is going to. Hey. You don't worry about
Plk is going to struggle, ne?
He's going to struggle.
Yes.
Too much.
Okay, I get you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, my brother, for your score prediction, and all the best to your team.
Thank you, D.
Lisiba ona na papadi ya mamotla yo tsamaya between Plk City and Stellenbosch FC.
Plk City winner 2-0.
Plk City winner 2-0.
Yes.
Ukwara malema.
Molokwane. Tabang Matuluti.
Oh, thank you. All the best to your team, my brother.
Thank you.
Sure.